So we are given that the first term of an AP is 5. And the common difference is minus 3 over 2. You have to find the term, that is the position of the term, whose value is minus 20 whole number 1 over 2. So let's see that. Let's write out what we have. Our first term, which we denote is what? A is what?
5.
Good. The common difference, which we denote with letter D is what?
Minus 3 over 2.
Very good. Now, we have to find the term. That is what? Letter what? We denote the position of the term with what? Letter what?
N.
N. Good. So we have to find N. Because the value of N is what? What's the value of N? Minus 21 over 2. Can you see it now? So this is a cheap question. You know that Tn is given as what? A plus what? N minus 1. What is the value of our T of N?
Minus 20 half.
The first term is what?
5.
The number of terms unknown. And the common difference is what? Minus 3 over 2. Let's change this into improper fraction. 2 times minus 20 minus 40 plus 1. Minus 41 over 2 equals 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 over 2. So let me... Now, from here now, I have 2 here, right?
Yes.
I have negative here. Okay, let's do it this way. Let me multiply all through by 2. Do you get it now? To erase fraction. I want to multiply all through by 2 to erase fraction. Multiply 2 by 2. What am I saying? Because I have 2 here, I have 2 here. I will have something like this. 2 into minus 41 over 2. Can you see that? Equals 2 into 5 plus n minus 1 into minus 3 over 2. Then I can now multiply this by 2. I think that makes sense. Yes?
Why do you do 2 brackets?
You see the same thing. If I should place the 2 here, the 2 will still multiply what I have here. So let me do what you want me to do, so that I will have something like this. Don't forget, this they are together, right? So plus 2 into n minus 1 into what? Minus 3 over 2, right? I think that makes sense. So 2 can take care of 2, right? So we have minus 41 equals 2 times 5 plus, then this 2 can still take care of this 2. Can cancel out, right? Because it's multiplication, we have multiplication between them. So we have n minus 1 into minus 3. Now, let's subtract 10 from both sides. So we have minus 41 minus 10, right?
Yes.
To be equal to n minus 1 multiplied by minus 3. Minus 41 minus 10 should give me what? Minus what? 51. Is that not it? So I have n minus 1 into minus 3. So I can divide both sides by what? Minus 3. Is that not it? Or I can say I multiply 2 by the reciprocal of minus 3. That is minus 1 over 3. Yes?
So how do they get this minus 41 over 2?
Yeah. because I have these 2 here. I have 2 here. 2 times 20. 40. 40 plus 1. 41. So I've changed this mixed number into an improper fraction. Do you get it now? So I have an improper fraction here. So the same thing is applicable here. So what happened now is that I want to clear fractions. Do you get it now? So since I have a fraction here, whose denominator is 2, at the same time I have another fraction here, because everything here now is more like over 2. So I can multiply through by the LCM of everything I have here. The LCM of this 5 now is 1. So I can multiply through by the LCM of all the denominators. Do you get it now? So the LCM I have here is 2. So with that, I'll be able to clear fractions and I arrive at this. So 2 will take care of 2. Do you get it now? At the same time, these 2 will take care of these 2. So 2 times 5 will give me 10. Right? Does it make sense there? Very good. So from here now, I can divide both sides by minus 3. So I want to divide both sides by minus 3. So we have minus 51 divided by what? Minus 3, right? Into n minus 1 into minus 3 divided by what? Minus 3. So the negative will take out the negative. So I have positive, right? 3 here 1, 3 51. That's 17. So the negative 3 will take out negative 3. I'm left with n minus 1.
Sir,
Yes?
this 17,
Yes.
doesn't it have a remainder?
3 times 17 is 51. Yes? With this, which expansion? This one? Yeah. We did not expand. We only try to clear fraction. Anytime we are clearing fraction, take for instance, you have, let's say I have a over 2 equals x plus 5 over 3. You can see I'm having fractions here, right? Now I want to make it to be linear. I don't want fraction. I will multiply by the LCM of everything I have here. This place is more like over 1, right? So what is the LCM of 2, 1, and 3? We know that is what? 6. So I will multiply everything I have here now by 6. So I will have 6 into a over 2 into 6 into x over 1 plus 6 into 5 over 3. So 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So I have 3a equals 6 times x, 6x plus 3 here 1, 3 is 6, 2. 2 times 5, 10. Now you can see everything is now linear. I think it makes sense now. So the same thing happened here. I tried to clear this fraction. The LCM of the denominator here is 2. The denominator here is 1. The denominator for the whole of this is what? 2. Because this is more like n minus 1 into minus 3 all divided by 2. Something of this nature. So I have something like this. So, can you see now? So the LCM of 2, 1 and 2 is what? 2. So I multiply all through by 2. So 2 into minus 41 over 2, which was what I have here before. I have minus 41. 2 times 5, 10. Then these 2 again, we take care of these 2. Can you see now? So it is easy for the 2 to take care of these 2. Do you get it now? So these 2 will cancel out these 2. So I'll be left with this part. Now, here, this is positive 10. This, we cannot add this to this side. Do you get it now? Because this one has both letters and figures. So what you do is just what we call collect like terms, right? So we subtract them from both sides. So by the time this term comes here, it becomes a negative. Minus 41 minus 10 minus 51. So I have this n minus 1 and minus 3 still there. So to make my work easier now, it's better I just divide by minus 3 instead of opening this bracket. Do you get it now? Yes, I have minus 3 here. Instead of opening the bracket and saying n times minus 3n, right? Minus 1 times minus 3 plus 3. I will still get the same answer. I just find since there is a multiplication here, why don't I just divide directly? What I'm having here is more like saying minus 51. I'm having minus 51 into n minus 1. Let's say n minus 1 is now x now. Assume n minus 1 is x. And I'm having minus 3. What am I supposed to do here? I divide by minus 3. Do you get it now? Because if I remove this minus here and place it here, I will have 3s, right? At the end of the day, the negative will still have to come and divide this negative. Is that not it? So that's what is happening here. So I can divide both sides by minus 3. So minus 51 can be divided by minus 3. I will get 17. The same thing will happen here. So I'm left with n minus 1 to be 17. So if I add 1 to both sides, if I should bring this one to this place, I will have n to be equal to what? 17 plus 1. So n is what? 18. So the question says, find the term. So it is at the 18th term that we are going to have minus 20 whole number 1 over 2. I think that makes sense, right? Alright. So you can write that. So you can write that.